oh my god, my mom finally got me robux. Let's go on a shopping spree.
Few minutes later.
Oh my god, I look so cute, you. Let's play a game and prove everyone that I am rich now. Scrolls down the games and wants to play, please donate. Why that person ran from me like I was a monster? Let's play a morph game instead since everyone is so mean to me still. Oh my god, smiling critters morph game, let's play it. Oh my god, this is so scary like me. Oh, let's morph into catnap. Let's cut in the music. Ooh, so scary. Let's see dog day. This is so much fun, wow. This is the best day of my life. Haha, let's tell my mom to get me more robux, hee.